Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video. Now, again, this is different to any other videos that I've done before because I have no way of editing the videos at the moment on my big computer because I'm having problems with the computer. So, anyway, that's the reason of lack of videos, but here's one I picked up. This is a Billings Boats Zwarte Zee. I picked this one up from Antics second hand, and when I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I thought, yeah, that's a good project. It's nearly done, to be honest. It's all like superstructure, finishing, painting, stuff like that. So should be a lot of fun to get done. But there it is. It's about, I would say, 3 foot. I haven't actually measured it. It's currently in my bedroom window because I thought it was a nice location to put it. It probably fade over time in the sun, but I will use it. Now, I don't know when it was built. No idea, but it does come with absolutely everything to finish the kit, which is nice. All I've really done to it at the moment is just painted these pieces white, but we'll have a look inside in a second. I would get this off as well to show you the motor, but I can't get in now because it's quite tight and I haven't got anything to prise it open whilst I'm filming, but we'll have a look at that again. Obviously I'll do updates on it and everything like that. If I remove this one, you can see some of the old equipment inside, and it really is old equipment. Also, there's a battery in there that you cannot remove no longer. It's actually built into the superstructure, into the hull, I should say. Which, yes, it doesn't work. However, I don't have to put any ballast in it. It's ballasted quite nicely. So that's good. So the battery's down in there. I'll remove all this electric mumbo jumbo stuff and put my own system in it because that looks pretty ancient. It did come with a transmitter, but again, it was old equipment. No point using it. So we'll put the electrics in, and technically this should be able to go on the water straight away. It seems to be watertight, so that's good. I will get a bit more done on here before I take it out, but we'll take it out as soon as I can, as soon as we get some good weather, and it's even sunny today, but the roads are terrible. My car's absolutely filthy. So yeah, building bits up, like getting the railings done and that. I'm gonna obviously get that sorted. Other little things, I noticed the anchors haven't been done, so they got to be done as well. I think the hull is plastic, so yeah, but there we go. That's what it's going to look like. Gives you an idea. So once everything is done, once we get some good weather, I'll get this one to the pond and we'll try it out. But there you go. That is one of the projects I've bought. Sorry for the lack of videos. Like I said, I'm having a lot of trouble with computers. I've been redecorating the room, working on my cars. I've been very busy, and I want to do a video very soon explaining where I've been and everything. But that's one of my latest models. Let me know what you think, and I will see you all very soon. Please like, please subscribe, and bye for now.